following is the very, very important selling point for this goggle, is to remove sunshade. When you are racing, you can see the surroundings. It's more safe for quad plane during takeoff and landing. When people are racing, you just watch. You can communicate with other viewers in more freestyle way, more leisure. Also, you can eat and drink at the same time. To how to wear goggle for people who wear glasses. First, the silicone cushion of goggle should match your own glasses. And make sure your glasses match perfectly. Then pull the headband to the right position. Then adjust to the back. Instructions of how to remove an example of sunshade. Now it's a remove part. There is a line for main body and sunshade. One hand hold here, and another hand hold inside of sunshade. Inside of sunshade, there is a hook here, and pull upside. So it's one way is open, and same as the other side. Now it's assemble part. There is a hook of the sunshade, and there is a slot of the main body. You should match the hook and the slot for both sides, and then both thumbs press downside at the same time. Also hold the bottom of the main body.